Have you ever sat in traffic behind a massive heavy-duty truck with a giant tilted metal drum spinning steadily on its back? As that heavy drum rotates against the skyline, hundreds of pounds of wet, heavy concrete slosh continuously inside without spilling a single drop onto the roadway. Whether it is a giant transit mixer cruising down the highway or a small portable drum rolling across a backyard patio project, concrete mixers are an indispensable fixture of modern construction. But have you ever paused to wonder how that strange spinning drum actually works? How does a giant metal cylinder keep heavy rock, sand, water, and cement thoroughly blended while driving at highway speeds? What prevents the wet concrete from hardening into a solid block of stone during a long commute? And how does reversing the drum's rotation magically force tons of wet concrete out of the truck? Let's step onto the construction site and uncover the fascinating engineering inside a concrete mixer right here on Simple Why. To understand why a concrete mixer must spin continuously, we first have to look at the sensitive chemistry of concrete itself. Concrete is not a simple mud mixture that dries out when exposed to air. It is a complex chemical compound. When Portland cement powder reacts with water, a chemical reaction called hydration begins immediately. During hydration, microscopic interlocking crystals grow and bind sand, gravel, and crushed stone into a solid artificial rock. If wet concrete sits completely still for even 20 to 30 minutes, these growing chemical bonds start locking together, causing the mixture to stiffen and set inside the drum. Continuous rotation disrupts these delicate initial crystal bonds, keeping the wet mixture fluid and workable while ensuring sand and heavy gravel remain evenly distributed throughout the batch. When you look at a transit mixer truck on the highway, the drum appears to be a simple, hollow metal cylinder tilted at a 15-degree angle. However, the real engineering secret lies hidden deep inside the drum's inner walls. Welded permanently along the interior wall of the drum is a continuous, dual-threaded Archimedes screw, a massive spiral steel blade shaped like a giant corkscrew or helix. This double hydroblade mechanism acts like a two-way mechanical conveyor belt. When the drum rotates in the mixing direction, typically clockwise when viewed from the rear, the angled spiral blades continuously scoop up the heavy sand and gravel from the bottom of the drum and push it deep toward the front, closed end of the drum. How does this internal spiral blade prevent wet concrete from sloshing straight out the open back while the truck drives down steep city hills? Because the spiral blades are angled backward toward the front of the vehicle during normal rotation, the spinning motion constantly forces the heavy liquid downward toward the lowest point of the drum. As the drum turns at roughly 2 to 6 revolutions per minute during transport, the heavy mixture is repeatedly lifted up the sides by the blades, tumbling over itself under gravity and sliding back down to the bottom. This continuous folding and tumbling action guarantees that every grain of sand, bag of cement, and bucket of gravel is thoroughly mixed into a uniform, creamy slurry without settling to the bottom. What happens when the truck arrives at the construction site and the crew is ready to pour a foundation? The driver does not need to tilt the heavy drum or shovel out the concrete by hand. Instead, the driver simply flips a hydraulic valve to reverse the rotation of the drum, spinning it counterclockwise. Thanks to the geometry of the Archimedes screw, reversing the rotation changes the direction of the blade's force completely. Instead of pushing the liquid deeper into the truck, the spiral blades now act like a continuous pump, lifting the heavy wet concrete upward along the tilted drum wall and channeling it smoothly out through the open rear discharge hatch onto a fold-out chute. How does the drum handle the massive physical strain of spinning 40,000 pounds of wet liquid stone? A fully loaded transit mixer drum can easily weigh over 40,000 pounds, creating immense mechanical torque and friction. To power this massive load, the truck's diesel engine drives a heavy-duty hydraulic pump connected to a high-torque planetary gearbox, mounted directly to the front tip of the drum. At the rear, the wide body of the drum rests on heavy, precision steel rollers that support the massive spinning weight. By using hydraulic drive systems, the driver can adjust the drum's spinning speed independently from the truck's engine speed, spinning rapidly at 12 to 16 revolutions per minute during initial loading, then slowing to a gentle idle during highway transport. What happens if a mixer truck gets stuck in a massive traffic jam or suffers an engine breakdown while carrying a full load of wet concrete? If the drum stops spinning for too long, the concrete will hydrate and harden into a multi-ton solid rock inside the drum, destroying a $100,000 piece of equipment. To prevent this nightmare scenario, modern concrete formulations use chemical additives called retarders. These specialized chemical admixtures temporarily pause the hydration process, extending the workable lifespan of wet concrete from 90 minutes up to several hours. In extreme emergencies where a truck breaks down completely, workers can connect auxiliary hydraulic hoses from another truck or flush the drum with high-pressure water systems to prevent catastrophe. For smaller residential jobs like sidewalks and garden walls, contractors rely on portable drum mixers or volumetric batch trucks. Traditional small barrel mixers rely on simple internal paddles rather than a continuous Archimedes screw, requiring the operator to manually tilt the entire drum downward to pour out the mixture. Volumetric mixer trucks, on the other hand, act like mobile concrete factories. They carry dry sand, gravel, cement powder, and water in separate internal compartments, mixing precise batches on demand using a rear auger screw only when the pour begins. This eliminates time limits completely, ensuring factory-fresh concrete for specialized construction jobs. What seems like a simple spinning drum on the back of a truck is actually a masterclass in chemical management, hydraulic power, and ancient Archimedean physics. By combining a continuous spiral blade with reversible hydraulic rotation, concrete mixers keep millions of tons of liquid building material fluid, uniform, and ready for pouring every single day. So how does a concrete mixer work? It relies on a giant internal steel corkscrew that continuously folds time, chemistry, and motion together, building the solid foundation of our modern world one rotation at a time. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Simple Why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.